Product recommendation: Sibo JH40 series joystick.
Hello everyone, I'm Xiaoyu.
I'm Yitong from the International Trade Department.
Yitong, the JH40 industry joystick has been gaining a lot of attention in the industry. What are its key advantages?
Professionals in the field clearly have a good eye. The JH40 can support up to 3-axis control, wide voltage input, and can output analog signals, dual-channel signals, Modbus, USB, and RS485 signals, and other bus protocols. Additional switch functionality is also available.
With all these specifications, does it require a larger installation space?
Not at all. The JH40 is designed with a compact structure, only 40mm in diameter and 30mm in height, making it easy to fit into installation spaces of various small and medium-sized mobile devices and control consoles with high flexibility.
What about the user interaction and the control feel? Different scenarios may require different tactile feedback.
Absolutely no problem. In addition to 7 standard handles that cover mainstream needs, we can also offer in-depth customization services, including custom handle designs and push button for extra control functionality to achieve diverse and personalized requirements.
Sounds great. Can you share any successful use cases?
Sure. In fields like industrial machinery, remote control systems, and medical equipment, the JH40 has delivered precise and stable control functionality thanks to its powerful functionality and customizable features. It provides tailored configurations based on the specific operation requirements and has received great feedback from customers.
Got it. Clearly, the JH40 is a highly competitive product with fun functionality, a compact size, and a high degree of customization. Thank you for the detailed introduction.
You are welcome to follow us for more updates and information.